Hello students! In our previous video, we learnt about concepts of arithmetic progression, that is AP. We also learned that each number in AP is one term, and the first term of AP is represented as A and common difference in AP is represented as D. We also saw that we can get AP if we know A, that is first term, and common difference D. So we can write general form of AP as A, which is first term, A plus D, second term, A plus 2D as third term, and so on till the 10th term, which is A plus ND. But students, we ended our previous video with a question. We asked you that can we find nth term of any given AP? Let us answer this today. Consider following example. Santosh got a job whose initial monthly salary is fixed at 10,000 with an annual increment of 2,000. Find his salary for 5th and 25th year. To answer this, we start with Santosh's base salary, that is 10,000 rupees, which becomes first term of AP. Therefore, A is equal to 10,000. We also said that annual increment is 2,000. So every year salary will increase by 2,000. So we can take this 2,000 as our common difference. Thus D is equal to 2,000. So what will be the salary of Santosh for second year? Correct. It would be A plus D. That is 10,000, which is the base salary, plus 2,000, which is common difference, which gives us 12,000. In same way, we can find the monthly salary of Santosh for 3rd, 4th, 5th year and so on. As you can see here, we can write the 3rd year's salary of Santosh as 10,000 plus 2D or 2nd year's salary, that is 12,000 plus 2,000, that is common difference. Similarly, for 4th year, it will be 10,000 plus 3D or 14,000 plus 2,000. And so on we can write for 5th, 6th and 7th year. So here we got our first answer, that Santosh's salary for 5th year is 18,000. Now observe that we get AP here as 10,000, 12,000, 14,000, 16,000 and 18,000 and so on. That is, there is constant increment of 2,000 every year. So 2,000 is added to each term as a common difference. Now looking at the pattern above, if we want to calculate the 25th term of this AP, that is salary of Santosh for 25th year, how can we do it? Pause the video, take a second and think about it. It's simple, right? Just start writing 10,000 as a first term and keep on adding common difference D, which is equal to 2,000, to each year's salary for 25 times. But isn't this way very long and time consuming? Yes, indeed. So is there any alternative method of finding the salary of 25th year? Yes, we can find out the salary as shown on your screen. We can write down salary for 25th year as 10,000, which is A, plus 24 into 2,000. Remember, we add 1 less than the current year. So it will be 24 into 2,000 or 10,000 plus 25 minus 1 into 2,000, which gives us salary as 58,000 for 25th year. If you observe this pattern carefully, from here we get some idea how to find the nth term in general for any AP. Let us say A1, A2, A3 are the terms of AP, whose first term is symbolically written as A and common difference be D. Then first term A1 is equal to A. Second term A2 would be A1 plus D or a plus 2 minus 1 times d. Third term would be a3, which is equal to a plus 2d, or a plus 3 minus 1 times d, where n is equal to 3, that is first term plus 2 times common difference d, and fourth term will be a4, which is equal to a plus 3d equal to a plus 4 minus 1d, where n is equal to 4. Similarly, if we want to write 14th term, what will it be? Correct. It will be a14, which is equal to a plus 13d, or a plus 14 minus 1d. And what about 25th term? It will be a plus 24d, or a plus 25 minus 1 times d. Now, based on this logic, we can write formula for any nth term of this AP. And what will it be? Nth term an will be equal to a plus n minus 1 times d. And this is the formula to find the nth term of AP. And why we say n minus 1 times d? Observe the sequence or pattern here. For third term, it is 2d here. For fourth term, it is 3d, and so on. So, if we take term number as n, then we multiply d with 1 less than n, that is n minus 1. Thus, nth term an will be equal to a plus n minus 1d, where an is general term of AP. Now we will see some examples based on this formula in our next video.